Okay, so I needed, I have a desktop and I needed a software. So by default in desktop, you won't get option to dim the monitor brightness. So I wanted to have a software which can do that, and so I actually have a bank monitor, so that has a hardware variable attached to it where I can change the color schemes and reduce the brightness and other thing. But I wanted to have a software solution. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve that. So this is one of the these are the softwares which can be used for that. But I have used this one a bit, so I'll show you how to install it and use it for achieving that. So basically, in your laptops, by default gets option to increase or decrease the brightness of your LED or monitor. So, but here, so okay, let's install it. Okay, so there are other softwares also. If you can see this one also for that one also that one only. So you can play with these softwares and see which one. So it has installed and let's launch it. Okay, so it has started. Okay, so this is the one. So you can see it has automatically taken my monitor name. So like this, if you can see, it's very easy and very helpful. So using this, you can achieve the increasing or decreasing the brightness. So I have another software which you cannot see here, but using that I can increase or decrease. So that is hardware solution which I have, but I wanted to have a software solution, so I am using this. So you can also install it and use it. You can see, okay, like this you can use it. And there are other softwares also you can play, and whichever you like it, you can use it. So thanks for watching. Have a great